Yes guys, what is this? It is a SD card wallet. And if you guys want to know what is inside this wallet, well, this is what I carry all the time. This is my SD cards. So this wallet is by a company called Pelican. Pelican makes one of the best kind of waterproof cases, and they are very rugged and stuff like that. So it pretty much is tiny, and when you open this up, you'll find a lot of slots. So for example, out here, you can store a SD card. You can store a mini SD card. Nobody buys mini SD these days, but this were probably built on those days when there was mini SDs. So you can store mini SDs on this one. And on this side you can actually store many more micro SDs. As you can see, there are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 micro SDs, 6 micro SDs, and probably another 6 SD cards and another 6 out here. So you'll be storing around about 12 SD cards on this one. How rugged it is, honest opinion, we are going to check this out right now. So let's see what happens to the case. So the case is pretty much fine. I just dropped it from like 3 feet. Now let's check out what happens if we drop it from 6 feet, okay? So watch this. I'm tossing this up in the air. So toss this up into the air. A little bit of dirt here and there, but nothing happened to it. Look at that, no scratch. Now, the main thing is water test. So we are going to do a water test right now.
Go ahead.
So inside this, I have all my memory cards, right? What's this? All of my memory cards. So I'm cleaning this up right now so that there's no water when I open this up. I don't have a small thing, so I'm going to rub in my pants because this is a real life scenario. Who will carry a freaking cloth with them all the time? And now when we open it up, look at that. All my memory cards are safe. So there you go, guys, a perfect opinion that this memory card case will save all of your day's life and all of your footages. It's completely waterproof, completely dust proof, and it has been tested in front of you in Opinions Matter. If you like this video, just put a big thumbs up in that like button and subscribe to my channel.